Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Trump unveils outline of new healthcare plan. Mednews. President Donald Trump has proposed a new plan to change how Americans pay for healthcare and insurance. The key element of the proposal is sending money directly to Americans through health savings accounts. Trump claims the government will pay the money directly to individuals, who can then use it to buy their own healthcare. Democrats have criticized the idea, saying it would not replace the tax credits that helped lower monthly premiums under Obamacare. Trump's proposal also calls for lowering drug prices and requiring more transparency from insurance companies. During his first term, efforts to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, failed. The proposal comes after Obamacare subsidies expired at the end of 2025, and some lawmakers are still working on extending those subsidies. Trump's plan would also restore payments that help insurers reduce out-of-pocket costs for low-income customers on mid-level plans. The White House said medications will soon be sold directly to consumers through a new website, trumprx.gov, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.